Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, this is Shamila, your teacher, with the topic of du'as. Dear students, in our third lecture, we will be learning du'as for entering the mosque and then leaving the mosque. Before we proceed, I would like to discuss the importance of du'a in Islam. Dear children, as Muslims, we regard this as a profound act of worship. There is a special emphasis on dua in Muslim spirituality. According to our Holy Prophet, HAZRAT MUhammad ﷺ, dua is the very essence of worship. Now, in the current situation, you must be aware of the current situation. So, I would request you all that daily you should raise your hands and ask Allah Ta'ala for help. And I am sure He is not going to refuse the du'as of such lovely children, because He is the creator, He is the master, He has all the powers. So in the current situation you should ask Him for help. Now moving to our lesson, that is dua for entering the mosque. First of all, I will read this and you are going to read it with me afterwards. So dua for entering the mosque is Allahumma ftah li abwaba rahmatik. Again, you are going to read it with me. Allahumma ftah li abwaba rahmatik, which means, O Allah, open for me the doors of your mercy. Now, moving to the dua for leaving the mosque. Dua for leaving the mosque is Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik. Read it with me. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik, which means, O Allah, I beg of you for your blessings. Dear students, do you know, while entering the mosque, we put our right foot in first, and while leaving the mosque, we put our left foot out first. This is the sunnah of our Holy Prophet, and being Muslims, we should follow his sunnah. With this explanation, we came to an end of our lesson. And if you find any difficulty or you have any question, you can ask me at my email ID. It is in front of your screens. Thank you.